Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arcewa, known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. In today's exciting sprouting video, as you can see with the beautiful plants behind me, it has to do something with them. So the fall season is coming up and I'm so excited to have lower temperatures because as you can see by my hair, this heat is unbearable. So I want cooler temps to come our way, but I wanted to have a jump start to it so my containers can look fantastic and breathtaking by when fall is here. So I have 3 plants that are behind me that I'm gonna be putting in my front garden containers. This is my first time doing containers in a long time for the front of my garden, since my garden has been renewed several times. So finally I'm able to have the product I need to go ahead and start this project. So I have a few plants here. So I have 10 of these orange bronzeous, it's like a color of like a very light orange chrysanthemum or mum. This is the plant that screams fall. Whenever you have fall, you'll always see these types of plants. So I got 10 of those, so we'll see if I can fit 5 per pot. We'll see. As for like the centerpiece, not for the centerpiece, but like towards the middle, I have this red impatient right here. And as the centerpiece, I have these very beautiful coleus right here. Look at that color of leaf. I absolutely love it, and that will be our thriller. We will not have a spiller in these containers because I couldn't really find something that I really liked or would have tied into this topic or this entire, theme, we'll say. So we'll just do with this. So we're just gonna have a thriller and fillers. So I'm gonna actually fast forward this motion. We're just planting them. The pots are ready for the plants. So we're just gonna pot them up, water them in, and then I will show you guys the end product. So let's go ahead and do that. So the pots have been potted up. There's 8 plants per pot. Once again, it's coleus, impatient, and chrysanthemum. And so I put these in partial sun locations because here in South Florida, our fall does not start all the way until mid to late October, which is ugh. But oh well, we're gonna have to work with what we have. But if you live in a more, cold tolerant place or live in an area where it's more colder, I would recommend putting these in full sun because your temperatures are already decreasing while we're still here in the 90s. So once again, I used the red impatient as a thriller, but it's a little bit of an eye catcher as well towards the front. I used 5 chrysanthemums going around, so it could be sort of a filler, and then I used my beautiful coleus as our centerpiece. So please leave me any comments down below on what you thought on this video. I absolutely loved it, and please let me know what you thought on the plant selections as well. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.